6.5% from last year this time, while the number of sold properties is also up from last year by 6.5%. It's Friday, December 15th, 2023. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday, so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Home prices are also up from last year, this time by 15.6%, indicating that Annapolis market continues strong for sellers, and buyers who keep waiting to buy will now pay more as their penalty for trying to time the market. This inventory fell to 138 for sale. 12 homes are coming soon to the market. 18 homes hit the market over the past week, fewer than last week. 12 went under contract since last week, a fall from last report. 9 moved to pending, a nominal rise from last week. 15 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 15 days. Longer on the market, but list price remained strong. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Eastport for $1,500,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at $47 for rent at a median $2,700 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 15th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.